In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block someone on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, and then if you want to block someone on Instagram, first off you need to get to their profile, just like that, and then in order to block that user we need to tap at these three dots and then select block. When you block a user, they won't be able to message you or find your profile or content on Instagram. Also, they won't be notified that you blocked them, and of course you can unblock them anytime in settings. To block that user, tap at block. That's it, that user has just been blocked. However, if you just want to block, some content from a particular user, let's say someone keeps bothering you with their stories or posts, you can easily do so. Just go to their profile and then tap right here at following. Then tap at mute, and then just select which type of content you would like to mute from that particular user. Let's say I don't want to get stories from that user. I can just turn on that switcher next to stories. That's how you can easily block someone in Instagram. And now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.